Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to add shortcuts in AutoCAD. So basically, like SketchUp, you also get an option to have quick shortcut settings in AutoCAD too. So all you have to do is write alias edit, which is right over here. Alias edit, alias edit, alias edit, and just click on it. And then you can also manually add shortcuts right from here, like from whatever shortcut you want to have for lay iso, lay on, then distance, dimensions, copy, move, isolate, whatever it is. You can manually easily just add the shortcuts that you want from here and just press OK. And I have not edited it, so just like that. So let's say if I have a shortcut for CC, which is a shortcut for copy, like this, I'll just select this and press OK. So as simple as that, copy will now have a command of CC. So CC is the shortcut for copy. So like this, you can manually add um, the shortcuts in AutoCAD. And for now, if you have a set of shortcuts, then you can just import the shortcuts from your from AutoCAD file, which is right over here, the ZWCAD shortcuts. So this is what continue. Yes. So all the shortcuts that I have um, created is now replaced. So if you want my shortcuts, then just pin me in comments below. And this is how you add shortcuts in AutoCAD. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.